In today's video, I will walk you through how to accept credit card payments with Stripe. First, access your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the dashboard homepage, you will see two options for accepting credit card payments: using payment links or creating invoices. To use payment links, find the payment links section on your dashboard and click on it. Next, click the option to create a new payment link. You will need to enter the required details, including the product description, amount, and currency. After entering the information, review the details to make sure everything is correct. Once everything is ready, click Create Link. Your payment link is now created and can be sent to customers for credit card payments. You can also accept credit card payments by creating an invoice. To create an invoice, go to the Invoices section on your dashboard and click on Create Invoice. Enter the required invoice details, including customer information, items or services, and payment terms. After completing the invoice details, choose how you want to collect the payment. You can select Request Payment to manually request payment from the customer, or choose Auto Charge to automatically process the payment on the due date. Once the invoice is set up, click Send Invoice. The customer will receive the invoice and can complete the credit card payment directly through the invoice. Using either payment links or invoices allows you to accept credit card payments through Stripe. Thank you for watching.